Have you ever wanted to receive money online, shop safely on international websites, or get paid from surveys, freelancing, and online jobs, but didn't know how to create a PayPal account? Well, today I'm going to show you exactly how to create a PayPal account from start to finish, step by step, even if you've never done it before. And make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also share some important tips that can help you avoid account limitations and verification issues that many beginners face. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to paypal.com. Once the website loads, click on the Sign Up button. PayPal will ask you to choose between a personal account and a business account. For most people, especially if you're receiving payments, shopping online, completing surveys, or freelancing, a personal account is perfectly fine. Select Personal Account and click Continue. Next, choose your country or region and enter your mobile phone number. Make sure you use a phone number that you have access to, because PayPal will send you a verification code. Enter the code when it arrives. Now you'll be asked to enter your personal information. Type your first name, last name, email address, and create a strong password. Here's a quick tip. Never use a weak password. Use a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account secure. After that, click Next. On the next page, you'll need to enter additional details such as your date of birth, address, and other requested information. Always provide accurate information. Many people rush through this step and later run into verification problems because their details don't match their real identity. Once you've completed everything, read the terms and conditions and click Agree and Create Account. Congratulations, your PayPal account is now created. But wait, don't stop here. A lot of people think they're done, but there are still a few important steps. The first thing you should do is verify your email address. Check your inbox for an email from PayPal and click the verification link. Next, consider linking a bank account or debit card. This helps increase your account security and makes it easier to withdraw or send money. To do that, go to Wallet and select Link a bank account or link a card. Follow the instructions shown on your screen. Now let's talk about staying safe. 1. Never share your password with anyone. 2. Never click suspicious links claiming to be from PayPal. 3. Always log in directly through the official PayPal website or app. These simple habits can protect your money and your account. By the way, how many of you are creating a PayPal account to receive payments from online opportunities like surveys, freelancing, testing websites, or remote work? Let me know in the comments below and which platforms you want to receive money from. Also, if you're interested in more online earning opportunities, make sure you join our WhatsApp channel using the link in our YouTube channel bio. We regularly share survey sites, studies, testing opportunities, remote tasks, and other ways to earn online. And I have a question for you. Would you like me to make a complete step-by-step video showing how to create a fully verified USA PayPal account? If that's something you'd like to see, drop a comment USA PayPal below and I'll work on that video next. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss future online earning guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.